Once upon a time, bookkeeping attracted one of the highest salaries in finance, but is pursuing a career as a bookkeeper still worth it? Let's see. With all the doom and gloom about AI automation, I can't predict the future, but we can look at the past to give us some insights. Imagine this. It's a regular Tuesday and suddenly you find out your job has been replaced by technology. Frustrating, right? That's the story of Noah, a bookkeeper with 9 years of experience, and what I am about to share could completely change the way you view your future in finance. Stick around and welcome to the channel. What if the work you've perfected over the years, your very livelihood, is replaced by a solution that never sleeps and doesn't even need a paycheck? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the reality. It's already happening, and the signs have been there for decades. Remember when Intuit first launched QuickBooks 30 years ago? That was just the beginning. The shift we're seeing now isn't out of nowhere. It's been building all along. So if you manage ledgers, process invoices, and oversee payroll to keep income and expenses accurately tracked, this is for you. It all began for Noah on a seemingly ordinary Tuesday when he walked into the office, ready to dive into the day's work. Balancing books and managing accounts, his usual. But as soon as he settled in, his phone rang and he was called into a meeting. You know that gut feeling when you sense something's off? That was me, he explained. My manager in one of the mid-sized financial houses in London where I was working sat me down and said, "Noah, we've decided to automate the bookkeeping department. Unfortunately, this means we have to let you go."
"I'm sorry, you're fired."
Just like that, my beloved career ended at the company I have come to love so dearly. He moaned. No warning, no time to adapt. Yep, 9 years of experience out the window, replaced by an algorithm that my organization believed would do my job faster and cheaper, he explained. In this video, I'm sharing Noah's story, how it happened, why it's happening to so many others, and what you can do to stay ahead. So whether you're curious or concerned about your future, stay tuned. But here's the thing, Noah's story isn't an isolated case. According to recent reports, up to 8 million jobs in the UK alone are at risk of being lost to AI by 2030. And the finance sector is not immune from this. Bookkeepers, payroll administrators, data entry clerks, even tax preparers. No one in bookkeeping is immune to this wave of automation. Roberta, a seasoned bookkeeper at one of the largest banks in the UK, saw her position eliminated when the company adopted AI-driven automation tools to streamline treasury operations. As part of the move toward digitalization, the bank began using AI to handle accounts payable, treasury functions, and financial reconciliations, tasks Roberta had been doing manually for years. In a recent report by Forbes, many people who work in finance are feeling the pressure to move away from traditional roles due to long hours, modest pay, and the struggle to maintain work-life balance, all while facing the growing threat of being replaced by automation. These challenges are pushing professionals to explore opportunities outside of finance. Meanwhile, companies, especially startups, are realizing the importance of advanced softwares to fill this talent gap. With these tools, businesses can make confident financial decisions, grow responsibly, and sharpen their business acumen, all without relying solely on humans. A shift toward more streamlined, efficient operations, according to reports. Experts warn that 1 in 5 jobs will be lost in finance as companies automate, and up to 40% of jobs worldwide could be affected by AI within the next decade. Why? Because AI can potentially do many jobs faster, more accurately, and without needing a paycheck, a business owner once told me. For businesses, it's an obvious choice. For workers like us, it's a terrifying reality, Noah explains. So, what's replacing him? Bookkeeping roles may be going extinct, no thanks to QuickBooks Online with its powerful AI features. Just over 4 years ago, the parent company Intuit announced they were taking a bold leap into the future with AI and machine learning updates. These weren't just new tools, but transformational ones designed to help bookkeepers, accountants, and people in finance scale, grow, and stay ahead of the competition. Now, QuickBooks can categorize transactions, reconcile accounts, and generate financial reports, all tasks I used to spend hours on, and Looking back, I realized that was a warning sign I missed, Noah explains. Zero, another big player, can predict cash flow, automate invoicing, and spot financial risks before they become problems. These tools are evolving fast, turning from simple assistants into full-on replacements. But here's the big question. Can AI really understand the complexities of financial decisions, or is it just following a script? So where does that leave us? Is there hope for those of us in traditional roles? Absolutely. And before you hit the panic button, hear this. While AI is taking over routine tasks, it's also creating new opportunities in areas we never imagined. Companies now need AI specialists, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts to manage these systems. If we can pivot and learn new skills, we can still find our place in this changing job market. But the challenge is real. How do we reskill quickly enough? Fortunately, platforms like Coursera and Udacity offer courses in financial analysis and forensic accounting, which require critical thinking and human judgment, key skills that will be hard for AI to replace. Even Sam Altman of OpenAI alludes to this. Becoming proficient in using AI-powered accounting software and offering value-added services like business consulting can also help secure your role. Nvidia and Google also have free courses. You can check the link in the description of this video. It's all about seizing control of our future before it's too late. In conclusion, losing my job to AI was a wake-up call, a stark reminder that the world is evolving faster than we think, Noah reflects. But it's also an opportunity to adapt, learn, and grow. So is it time to rethink your strategy? Can you leverage AI to enhance your productivity rather than replace you? And what specific skills should you be learning right now to make sure you're indispensable in this? We can't stop AI, but we can choose how we respond to it. If you're in a job that could be automated, don't wait until it's too late. As for me, I am shifting towards becoming a tax advisor, focusing on strategic tax planning and helping clients optimize their tax strategies, while offering advisory services that require human judgment to future-proof my career, he explains. Start reskilling now, because the sooner you adapt, the better positioned you'll be to thrive in this new landscape. Imagine yourself not as a victim of AI, but as a partner, using it to elevate your work to new heights. Interested in how AI is changing the world? Let me know and I'll make more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next video. I hope Noah's story will lead you on that path to self-development. If you've hung around this far and still have questions about how AI is reshaping the job market, drop them in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. If you're interested in the future of AI and how it will affect you, join our free newsletter today with the link in the description of this video and get the chance to download your free copy of our AI book, The Ultimate Quick Guide to Protecting Your Online Presence in the AI Era. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And by the way, if you think bookkeepers are the only ones at risk, wait until next week to hear about what's happening on the factory floor in this 5-part series. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye for now.